right. Gary's Classic Car Show has concluded. Had a fun time, like over 60 cars on a cool January winter night. A lot of money on the 50-50 driver's drawing. Yeah. What was it about? Yeah, C10 leading them out. How about that? A little fog up here in Buena Park. Coming off the ocean, windy. Well, not really windy. It's kind of like bone cold, bone chilling cold. Still a good turnout. Buena Park Elks. All right. I always like this part because we get to hear them and see them roll. There's Ribby. Won tonight too, the Sultans. All right, congratulations again. How cool. Looking good. Lake Pipes, Astro Supremes. Yeah. Cab over. Wins tonight too. All right. How about that? Look at that 70. All right, put the top up, the Challenger. Yeah. Look at this. Steve, sorry to learn of the wife.
God.
Oh, boy.
Talk to you someday. Thank you.
All right. No posts. 210. Look at that. Wins some cash. Tommy. All right, Tommy, see it. Yep. Traeger Mags. Look at that. 57 Chevy Bel Air with a post. Silver over blue. Look at this. Ah. Whoa, you really dialed it tonight. Look at that. Dave going home with a trophy and a couple of raffle prizes. Look at that. Yeah. That's Gavin right there. The 67. Look at that. Pedro is going to a Dodger game. Yeah.
See you later.
All right, what's up with a motorcycle?
No, not yet.
Yeah, okay. Look at this. Pathfinder Ford panel. Shop. Look at blown. All right, good night. Yeah, 70. Torino. Yeah. Done up in orange. Yeah. Here comes Ed. Ed is supporting Dano Live with a Dano Live sponsor support shirt. He got his 2XL tonight. Thanks, Ed. Appreciate it. Rolling on wire wheels, wide whites with his 40 Ford. Yeah, congratulations. 61. Old top. Wins trophy. That wins tonight too. The Box Nova 66. Nice ride. Yeah. All right. Tony, we'll see you with a Corvette shortly. Look at this simulated wood Oldsmobile Woody. Look at that. Wow. Huh? Rolling on wide whites. It's got eyebrows on the headlights. It's got raccoon tail, dual spots, and it's got a visor. Look at that. Look at the bird. All right. Good night, guys. Bundle up. Hey, a Corvette. How about that? You got all kinds of it. There's a winner also. Won a raffle. I think you won all the 50-50. Yeah. There's another winner right here. Yeah. Yeah. Look at that. Got a Lincoln? Yeah. Yeah, cameo one tonight on the trophy. Yeah. Nice. Chevrolet Cameo pick 'em up truck. The Dodge Coronet, it won tonight, won a trophy. Yeah. Yeah. Coronet 500. And this one tonight too, a half bumper. Look at that. 350 cubic inch, hug of orange. Yeah, Josh Jordan wins Best of Show right there. And then Dano's Sweetest Ride, you're welcome right there. The Jeepster. Dano's Sweetest Ride, Dano Live. Yeah. There. Chat 29. Look at this. Wow. Here's this one with his can that just got. Yeah. Glad you brought that out. Yeah. It's always fun to see that 33. Look at that. Oh, wow. We're back. You got the Terraplane right there. Hudson Terraplane. Wide whites. Your dad won some money. Yeah. Look at that. We got a special SS Aero of Monte Carlo. What year? Yeah. Look at that. All right, Rich. Yep. You'll see what went out the other. Good night. Yeah, we got a window up in here. Hear me. All right. Okay. Look at this, huh? Mercury Montclair. All righty. Thank you. Good night. See you Tuesday. There you have it. That's the crux of it all. Yeah, these fellas here are gonna roll out with the Edsel and the Max Wedge 426 Plymouth Belvedere. Yeah, you guys got everything under control here?
Yeah, we got a baseball bat in the car.
Oh, do you? Okay.
Yeah, we may have to beat on the starter.
Yo, no.
We may have something for your video.
Oh, okay. You might have to just keep this rolling.
No, it's just cheap gas he's using.
Oh.
My Ranchero will not start after you shut it off on Arco gas.
Oh, really? But everything else works fine?
Yep.
Wow.
I just use a little bit, but if
Uh-huh.
you fill it up completely, the guy where I take my car to, I told him I'm having trouble starting after I shut it off.
Yeah.
What gas are you using? Arco?
Yeah.
That's
So that's it. Stop using it.
it. So now I had a Arco credit card,
Right?
which is just a gift card.
Yeah.
So I just use 20 gallons or $20 at a time until I use it up.
Yeah.
And I keep shelling it.
Wow.
Or something
Pretty
like
amazing. Well, let's hope you don't need that baseball bat. A Louisville Slugger will start an Edsel. Let's see. Hang on a minute here. Make sure we get some ignition fire in here.
that. You know, I own two S's for once.
Yeah, no, why?
Yeah. Victor.
Now, what video was that had the Hudson in it?
Oh, I don't know. There's so many.
Where were you?
Well, at the Roadster Show. Yeah.
At the...
Grand National Roadster Show today.
Oh,
yeah,
today?
I haven't. I put up to YouTube, but I haven't made it public yet. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, all right.
But then I've seen some other Hudsons. I can't remember where. But every time I see a Hudson, I'll give you a shout out.
All right.
Yeah, that's
thank
a test to see if you're really watching.
Oh, I'm always watching.
Yeah.
But you didn't go to the Mesquite show, did you?
No, I stayed in Scottsdale for all the auctions.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, it was a 6-hour drive, and it would take me basically a day to get there, and I would miss
Yeah.
prime time. So I figure this time, being his first time at Barrett Jackson, I would take all that in.
Oh, good.
Next year I might go to Mesquite.
Oh, yeah? Yeah.
Yeah.
I think Buford went to Mesquite.
Yeah, Buford went. Art over, shows up at Gary's on Tuesday night.
Oh, yeah?
The Monte Carlo. Art was there. He said, yeah, it was pretty fantastic.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, like 1,000 cars.
Ooh, look.
Yeah.
Edson.
Yeah, we're waiting to see. Might have to beat the starter. There. Good. How about now we can Dano Live, Dano Vision. The Edsel is fired up. How about that?
All right.
Yeah.
All right, thanks.